start. Yeah. Yeah, that tire's completely flat. Yeah, you can see where it was bent. It's got the bend is right here. Alrighty. See how it starts. That was my father-in-law. We're gonna jump this 1980 F150. Jump a 351 with a 350. Yeah, that's a 351 modified as well, which is pretty cool. This is a 350 Oldsmobile. Okay. Alright. See, it's been a day. We'll give her a pump. Remember to crack your throttle. About that much. Oh, no. Didn't fire on that first one. Let's try again. Yep, there she goes. Cool, guys. Thanks for watching.